Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a broadcast channel on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to create a broadcast channel, then what you have to do is just open up your WhatsApp application, and after opening up your WhatsApp application, in the top right corner you will find this three dotted icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on new broadcast. And after tapping on new broadcast, now you can find all the members in your account. So what you can do is just simply select those members in your broadcast channel. So what you can do is simply add those members in your broadcast channel. So just select the members that you want to add, and after selecting them, now what you can do is just simply tap on the green color arrow which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that arrow, now you have successfully created a broadcast channel. So now what you can do is just simply send a message and they will be notified, and in this way you can create a broadcast channel on WhatsApp. So that's it guys, this is how to create a broadcast channel on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.